Hi, I'm Alan with Fireflies.com. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to install our LED interior light kit into your 2014 to 2019 Toyota Highlander. We have two different types of kits available. First, we have our 3014 series kit, which is about 3 to 4 times brighter than factory. And second, we have our 5050 series kit, which is about 2 times brighter than factory. The main difference between the two kits is the brightness and the construction of the LED bulbs. Our 3014 series bulbs are about 400 lumen each, and the 5050 series are about 250 lumen each. The 3014 series kit is the best one, and the 5050 series kit is a more affordable kit for the budget-minded. Either set works great. Today, we'll be installing the 3014 series kit. Our kits come with all the interior lights, 2 front map lights, 2 vanity mirror lights on the sun visors, 2 front door lights, 4 rear dome lights, 1 cargo light, and 2 license plate lights. It also comes with a warranty card that you can keep in your glove box and a free plastic pry tool, which I'll be using today, along with a small flathead screwdriver and a pair of needle nose pliers to help with removing the tiny vanity mirror bulbs. That's all the tools you'll need to do the installation. The installation should take about 20 minutes, and it makes a huge improvement over the super dim factory installed incandescent bulbs. We have this set available on our website, Amazon, and eBay. If you have an Amazon Prime account, you can get super fast and free shipping. Links to each platform will be in the description. Enjoy the rest of the before and after clips. When they're done, we'll get right to the installation process. Alright, today we're going to start with the 2 front map lights. So we'll get 2 of these guys, and we'll get our pry tool, and we'll start popping off the covers. First thing you want to do is turn the light on, turn it back off, and then place the tool in the gap that opens up while you're pressing down. Just put it in there and pop the lens. Comes off just like that. Then you take out the factory bulb, and then we'll put in the LED bulb. Then we'll test it to make sure I got it in the right way. Nope. So they're polar sensitive. If you put it in and it doesn't light up, all you got to do is take it out, flip it 180 degrees, and put it back in. There it is. And repeat the process for the other one. We'll put the lens back on. First, you want to put this side on first, and then you want to pop this side on after. Go in like that, and then pop and pop. That's it. Now we'll go and we'll do the door lights. The door lights on the driver's side, you have to start on this side and pry it open with a small screwdriver. And on the passenger side, you start on this side. So we'll do this one first over here. Pops out just like that. Then we'll come over here and push this little white thing down, and we'll pop the wire out. And then to get this off, you just slide it back like that, and it pops off. There's the incandescent bulb. To get that out, you just rock it back and forth a little bit, and it comes right out. We'll take this out. We'll get our LED bulb. And then we're going to plug it in, test to make sure we got the polarity right first. Oh, we got it. First try. Put it back together. Slide it back in. Just like that, snaps into place. Nice and secure. Plug it back in. And you pop it in. Easy peasy. Next, we'll do a rear dome light. All right, in order to do the rear dome lights, take a look at the lens here, and on this side right here on the front, there's a little notch. We're going to stick our screwdriver into the notch and we're going to pry it off. Pry it down like that, and you use your fingers and pull the lens. Just like that. Super easy. So I'm going to reach in here and pull the light out like that. So now we're going to install the LED light. First time. Alright. Then we'll put the lens back on. When you put the lens back on, these little tabs go on this side first. You want to put it in and then pop it in like that. So we put those in first and then pop it in. Now all you have to do is repeat the process for the other 3 dome lights. Now let's go work on the cargo light. Alright, to do the cargo light, all you need to do is put the tool in on the opposite side of the switch and pop it out like this. Now, on the 2014 to 2016, the bulb is a festoon bulb, and you will be using this bulb for the 2014 to 2016. Ours is a 2017, and the cargo bulb in the 2017 and the 2019 is this one. So we just come over here, unplug it first, like you did with the door light, and then we pop this off. Like that. Sometimes the switch pops out, but it's okay. And we're going to take this off and put our bulb in. And then we'll put this back in here. Well, actually, we'll test it first.
One more run on the switch. Let's go. In the park, home run.
And there we go. So we'll unplug it. We'll put this cover back on, like that. Put our switch in, and we'll put our cover on. Just like that. Alright. Plug it back in. Big difference. Alright, next thing we're going to do is license plate lights. And this is a little tricky for some people, but it's actually pretty easy to do. We're going to take our orange tool, and then we're going to take this whole panel off. It's really easy. It comes apart just like a Lego. So first we're going to stick it in here. Oops. We're going to find little poppers here. There we go. Now there's 2 little tabs. I don't know if you can see that. Right here, you need to push that in so it pops down. You see that? And the same on the other side. Push it in. Alright. That's all down. This piece came off, and you also need to take the other one off. Just like that. Super easy to do. These things are designed to come off. They just pop right off. It's not a big deal. All right, now we're gonna get to these license plate lights. All right, right there is the license plate light on this side. There's 2 tabs on either side. You loosen one, and then you loosen the other. And it pops out. See it? Now we come at it from this side. Can you see? Is it visible?
Mm-hmm.
All right, we're gonna push this right here. Turn it, take it off. Now all you gotta do is pull this up like that to get to the bulb. Take the old bulb out, put in our LED, and before we plug it in, we have to turn on the headlights so the taillights get power. All right, we're going to test first. Don't give you a whole lot of wire to work with. There we go. Hey, we got it. All right, so we snap it back in place. Then we're going to put our lens back on. There we go, nice and secure. And then you just push it back up. Pop it into place. That's it. Now we'll do the vanity mirror light. Now we'll be working on the vanity mirror light. This little tiny bulb is very small and very hard to get a hold of, but I think we can do it. If you'll notice, on this side there's a little notch right there. We're going to take our little screwdriver, pop it in, and then pop the lens, just like that. Alright, keep a hold of that. Now we're going to use our needle nose pliers. I wrapped a little electrical tape around the tips of this pliers here to help grab onto the bulb. Just take it, pull it out just like that. Now we're going to take a vanity mirror light and we'll put it in. Okay, now we're going to get the lens cover back on our vanity mirror light. For this one, you want to go this side first. And then just snap it in. There we go. That's all there is to it. Enjoy it. Like and subscribe. Bye.